In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix a problem. To play this video, you need a codec, missing error on Windows 10. So whenever you try to play a video on Windows 10 computer, you might have come across that this error message asks you to buy0xc video extension from the Microsoft store for around 50 rupees. But there is a solution to this problem that doesn't require anything to pay. So let's get started. First of all, open any browser you like. In my case, I'll open the web browser and type encoded video extension free download for Windows 10. Click on the first website that appears, which is www.freecodec.com. Once the website loads up, you will see a download button on the top right corner of the screen. So click on it and you will redirect to this page. So you will see 64-bit version and 32-bit version. So click on the second one, 64-bit version, and download it. So once you finish the download, after the download is complete, click on the file to begin the installation process. Once you install, you will see a notification on the bottom right corner. It means that we have successfully installed the extension. So now you guys can play the video without encountering any issues. So let's try it out and see if it's working or not. So as you guys can see, the video is playing without any issue. And that's it. You have successfully fixed the problem. And if you found this video helpful to you, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more useful video like this one. So see you in my next one.